Maybe I am a dinosaur, but at least I'm not a homewrecker at the end of the day because you are jealous of me and Fukurat's relationship because you see someone in a happy relationship, you want to just break up. What kind of friend are you?
Alam mo, a while ago, you're agreeing with me. Now your brain.
No, but I
is
realize
like,
that a lot of the
our
things you're
brain
saying are
is like
lies.
this. Your brain is like that. You cannot understand me. Your brain is like this. I'm gonna throw it to the trash can. We're gone. I'm done with you.
You can't be done with me. We were never an item. That's the thing. Because you were just filled with lies and dishonesty because you wanted to break up.
No, I'm telling the truth. Fukirat don't love you anymore because Fukirat told me you're not handsome at all. May saltik talaga to. May saltik to, tingnan mo. Tingnan mo si Fukirat, hindi ko alam ba't niya minamahal. May saltik. Hala, magdadrama na naman. Magdadrama na naman doon ang person. Iiyak na naman yan dun. Ito. Murot ng putik. May Celtic yun. Ba't di mo pagpahingayin yan? May Celtic yun.